little friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be learning colors names and uppercase alphabets. First, let's learn some colors names. First color, green, green color, orange color, purple color, yellow color, sky blue color, red color, blue color. Now let's write them. A for alphabet. A for apple. B for business. B for bank. C for corridor. C for captain. D for donate. D for document. E for eagle. E for energy. F for family. F for food. G for ground. G for gun. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H for helicopter. H for house. I for ink. I for iguana. J for jam. J for jelly. K for kitten. K for kiwi. L for logic. L for lime. M for money. M for mitten. N for nose. N for nurse. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. O for opera. O for Olympic. P for princess. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for quarter. R for rain. R for rabbit. S for school. S for strawberry. T for turtle. T for tunnel. U for unicorn. U for uniform. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. V for violin. V for vulture. W for wind. W for wax. X for xylophone. X for Xmas. Y for yogurt. Y for yam. Z for zero. Z for zinc. Let's revise once again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.